TR here. This video is for the alternative assignment to the Human Sexuality course content. Let's go to Content. You click on Content in the nav bar, you'll go to this page. You can see that this assignment is located in Module 5, Alternative Assignment, and the content page is Alternative Assignment, Dating Relationships. So this is what the top of the page looks like. I'm going to expand it to give us a better look. Now this is an assignment for students not participating in the human sexuality. What do you need to do? You need to choose one issue that you see is the most important in dating relationships for young people. In your research, you want to consider the questions below, and you want to make sure that you go beyond these questions and address this topic in detail. Here is a list of some issues related to dating relationships. This list is not complete. There may be others. So if there's an issue that's important to you but it's not on the list, you're certainly welcome to include it in your project. The project can be a PowerPoint. I'm recommending that my template, a brochure, a video, or you can write a report. The format is totally up to you. My big concern is that you make sure that you don't clump all these answers, topics in one paragraph. Now the template, this is the link for the template. Let's just minimize that. The template is a PowerPoint that you can add information to if you wish. It organizes it in a way that makes it simple to complete the assignment. Go back to the page, the rubric. The link is here for the rubric. And you will find the rubric looks like this. The rubric talks about 7 key points. You need to have substantial detail. Full marks are achieved if you have 7 key points with substantial key detail. 7 or more, because you may decide to add. Go back to the content page. And let's expand it again. Now, this is an assignment. So you submit it to the assignment submission folder, alternative assignment, dating relationships. What does that look like? Well, if we go to this page, we click on assignments, it'll take us to the assignment submission folders page, which is what we're on. We'll scroll down to the alternative assignment, dating relationships. We open that up. We scroll down to the submit assignments. We click on the button, link, add a file. We make sure we find the file because we need that file. Typically, you should put it in your Clone folder. Once the file is uploaded and saved, then you click Submit. If you have any questions or concerns regarding this assignment, please use your private discussions and share these concerns with me, and I'll see what I can do to help you out. Thanks and have a great day. Bye now.